Welcome to another episode of Bird Watchers. This is episode 2, Watching Birds. Come join us. Here we have our first bird, pigeons. Pigeons are indigenous to this area of the country. They eat rice, bread, food, pigeons. Now this bird, if you listen close, I don't know what bird that is because this is bird watchers, not bird listeners. And it's actually impossible to tell what a bird is by its sound because all birds sound the same.
Trail loops because it just goes in a circle and then back onto the speed trail and back.
But that's, I guess we could do that and then go that way and come back the right way.
So you want to do that one? Okay.
Yeah, that's the loop.
That's a lot longer up a mountain.
Yeah, this is not a lot of elevation.
Yeah.
We're gonna go right and loop around to the left.
We've been traveling for a while searching for birds, and so far there doesn't seem to be any. There's just no sign of any bird activity in this area. We've been hiking for several miles now, and still no sign of any birds. There's no birds here. Fuck.
What got Jose so spooked?
I don't know. He's been talking about birds all morning.
What is it? Jose! What the hell is wrong with you?
I see it over there in the trees. A bird. You see, it looks like a gato, like a little dinosaur.
It's not just a rock.
Guys, I don't see anything here. I haven't seen a single bird. There's nothing. Like, why are we even out here? What are you filming for? I just said there's nothing here. Film it, look. There's nothing. Put the camera away. We're not even looking at anything. There's no birds here. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, what the hell? Oh, come on. I just want to get out of this place. This stupid thing blocking the way. I'm not going to be able to leave this place.
Not good.
What are you still filming for? We don't have anything. Just turn it off. Let's get out of here. I want to go. That's not good.
4 hours and 40 minutes a mile. Yeah, that's our pace.
Thank you. What else can you fucking shit on me with? So I'll take it right now. Let's keep fucking shitting on me. Sure, it's rained and it's muddy and wet.
Just capture this one.
Always be prepared. No, I just hate this shit.
Ankle support.
I want to get out of this place. We didn't have to do that fucking incline shit.
Yeah, we wouldn't have gotten all those good shots.
Oh, dude, when I stop walking is when my ankle really hurts. So that concludes episode 2 of Bird Watchers, watching birds. As you saw, the only birds that exist in this part of the country are pigeons. So if you want to come look at birds, don't waste your time. Just get out of here. Let's just get out of here. Let's just go.